Hello and good morning to Kayla and everybody over at McClure Electrical Services. My name is Josh. Spoke with Kayla on the phone yesterday. I just wanted to get this custom video sent over to you guys showing how you guys can start to boost traffic to your guys' website and turn that traffic into actual paying customers. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into it here. We're going to go over a few things, one being your website, what it takes to get your website ranking, as well as the Google business portion of the Google search engine, and a few other things along the way. So we have your guys' website right here. This must be you and the husband and the family. I'd love to see it. Family owned and operated. It's super cool. You guys have all your click to call buttons everywhere. You got some photos, right? Read more. I also noticed you guys have this financing. It's super cool that you guys have all these options. But one thing I don't see enough of on your guys' website is content, right? You got the little bit here, you got the little bit here, a little more down here, but it's not optimized content. We want to have good keywords in all of our content. The average homepage should have anywhere between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content, and all of our service pages should have anywhere between 750 to 500 words, depending on how competitive each service is. And one way we can figure that out is by taking your guys' URL. We can copy and paste it into something like this. This is called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool that we like to use. Gives us a good guideline on where everybody's sitting online in an online space, and we can kind of compare and contrast with some competition. So we have a few options here. We have backlinks, we have keywords, we have referring domains. These are all things that we want to take into consideration when we're ranking our website online. But for right now, we're talking about content, right? So that's going to be our keywords. We want to figure out what keywords are we using right now that we don't have or want to be including, right? So a lot of your guys is your name, McClure Electric. You're getting 150 search volume every single month on your name alone, right? Got your name, Kayla McClure. That's getting 40 search volume. Electrical installations. That's only getting 40 search volume every single month. Not to mention your guys' positioning on these actual service pages or the service keywords. You guys aren't ranking very well at all. So one way we compare and contrast is figure out, hey, what's our best competition in the area doing, right? Jeremy Electric. These guys are at the top of Google right now. These guys are actually absolutely dominating it. They still got some work to do, but why not take what they have going and use some of it, right? So let's use things like these. Electrical questions, 500 search volume. What's another good one? Local electricians. That's getting 8,800 search volume every single month. They're only position 11 for that. You guys definitely could be using this, ranking that keyword, and getting up there in no time. That's 8,800 potential extra searches going to your guys' website every single month. Not to mention the list goes on and on and on and on. We can figure out all of those ones that we want to find, right? Same thing for our backlinks. We want to go out and figure out, hey, what backlinks do we have and what backlinks does our competition have and which ones do we need to target, right? Because there's good backlinks, there's bad backlinks. We don't want spammy backlinks that are going to hurt our website. We want good, powerful backlinks. Some examples of backlinks are citations, which are anywhere online, like a Yellow Pages or a Yelp review or a Facebook page, where it has your business name, your business address, your email, your phone number, anything that regards to your business as a citation, right? So that's a great one. We also have guest posts and link juice. So we want to get all kinds of good ones. A guest post would be like this, expertise.com. Anywhere online where we're mentioned as, hey, we're a top electrician, right? Or like a blog is a great one as well, right? So we want to figure out what kind of backlinks do these guys have that are drawing them so much power online to be boosting them so high up that we need to have on our website, because we can go out and get all of these. Some of them are paid, some of them are free, some of them cost a lot of money. It is what it is, but at the end of the day, it's an investment, right? We want to invest in our company. That way we can grow and reach a larger audience. So with that being said, that wraps up the website end of things. We also have the Google Map Pack portion, right? When we search electrician in Kansas City, Missouri, first thing that we see are these Google guaranteed ads, right, in this map pack. We also have Mr. Sparky. They have 711 reviews. That's insane. We have you guys, 164. You guys are doing really well on your reviews, but I would keep pushing those reviews as much as possible. It's only going to help you online. We want to compare and contrast our photos as well. We want to make sure that our Google business profile is optimized at all possible, right? We want to figure out, hey, what does Mr. Sparky Electric have in their about section that we don't have, right? We can almost copy and paste this. This is almost stupid easy, but people just aren't putting the time in to do it. So if you guys take the time to put this, a little bit of information into your guys' website, you can really start getting a whole bunch of traffic to your website and turning that traffic into actual paying people. So, with that being said, to Kayla and everyone over at McClure Electrical Services, my name is Josh Nelson. I hope you guys found this video helpful or useful in any way possible. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, I'd be happy to answer them. Feel free to reach back out to us or even just let me know how I did in this video. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.